Hello guys, and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process of how you can create another Gmail account if you already have a Gmail account. So maybe you want to do stuffs online, but you don't want to use the same Gmail account you are using. You can create a new Gmail account using the step that I'm going to be showing you in this video. If you're new to this channel, I welcome you to this channel. My name is Awajima Misioto. On this channel, I teach you how to do stuffs online. I show you things that you can do that can help you make money for yourself and grow your business. So quickly, before we get into the video, kindly support this channel by liking this video and subscribing and making sure to turn on the notification bell. That is going to allow you to be notified whenever I publish new videos. All right, so kindly do that for me. So let's go straight into the video. Let me show you how you can create a new Gmail account even if you already have a Gmail account. So what we are going to be doing is to log on to our Google Chrome. All right, we're going to go to our Google Chrome here. If you don't have Google Chrome, just find a way to download it using your Play Store. So we're going to come here and then we are going to type Gmail sign up. Are you seeing it now? Gmail sign up. Then you click enter. So once you click on Gmail sign up, if you already have your Gmail account, you're going to be seeing your picture up here in the top right corner. Okay, so what you're going to do is to click on this create a Gmail account. Just click on it once, or probably instead of clicking it, let's go back. What you're going to do is to come to the top here and click on that image that you see. All right, if you have not added a picture to your profile on your Gmail account, you may not see any picture there, but for me now I have my picture. So you just click on it once. So once you click on it once, it's going to bring these options for you. Are you seeing this option now? So you can see here it's showing you my name, and then it's showing you manage your Google account, and then it's showing add account. So you're going to click on add account. So let's click on add account. So click on add accounts, and then we're going to follow through all the process. So now what I'm going to do here is to add account to device. Are you seeing now? So I'll click on add account to device. So let me click on it. All right, just follow the steps, follow everything I'm going to show you, follow the steps. So I'm going to just type in my password. So yeah, I'll type in my password. Okay, so let's just wait for this. So it's asking me to insert my number, so I'm going to insert a number here, a new contact that I have. Are you seeing this now? So it's asking us to put a number, so I'm inserting the number now, and I'll click on next. So once I click on next, it's probably going to send the information to my number. So make sure that you are including a number that is legit. Okay, it says this account already exists on this device, so I'm going to use another email now. So let's check another number. Check another number. If that doesn't work, we're going to use another email. So just let's follow this step. Okay, let's follow this step. Let me add an email. Okay, it's telling me that we need to use an email or phone number. Okay, just hold on, let's work on this. I hope this works. So this is giving me a problem, so I'm going to look for another email to correct this. Okay, let me just click on create account to see for, let's say, personal use. So I click on create account. Can you see? So when I was clicking next, it was giving us a problem, so I clicked on create account. So let's go back to that again so you can see what I just did. Let's go back to it again. Add accounts, say add accounts, and then we say add account to device. Follow me. Add account to device, and then I insert my password. And it's asking me to insert phone number, so I'm going to insert a phone number now. 7879891005. So instead of clicking next, what you do is to click create account. Are you seeing this now? So you click on create account. So you choose if you want to use it for personal use or for business use. So for me, I'm going to just say personal use. All right, so let's just wait for it to finish loading. This is a very simple step-by-step process. So let's create the name for this email. So we're going to say our GBOBO. Okay, so that's just it. So we click on next. And wait for it to load. Okay, now we insert the month and fill in all these details. So I'll just put a day. Let's just put a day so that it can have a day. So you can decide to make this very straightforward. All right, just make sure you fill in the correct thing. It doesn't really matter, but just make sure you fill in the correct thing. All right, so we go to next. All right, we go to next and wait for it. Good. So it's asking us to choose which of the mails we want. So I'm going to choose our GBOBO. I like that one. It sounds very cool. So click on next. All right, so click on next and wait for it. So it's asking us to create a password. So at this point, I'm going to just cover this and create the password. All right, just follow me closely. So good, I've just created the password. All right, the next thing now is to in your case, make sure to copy the password and keep it somewhere in case. All right, make sure to copy it and keep it somewhere in case, since you're just creating a new password, because you need the new password and then the username. Okay, so as you can see, our password is already created. So I'll just click on next. When I click on next, our email has already been created. Boom, congratulations. Yeah, you can see that the mail is already created already. So when you get to this page, just know that your mail creation has been successful. So we click on agree. I agree. All those things are just terms and conditions that you need to read. So click on agree and wait for it to finish loading. Good. So it has finished and is checking the information. Boom, our new email has been created. All right, So let's now check if we have the mail already. So we click on this my profile picture again, click on it, and then click on manage your Google account. So we click on manage your Google account for us to be sure that the mail is created. Just wait for it to load. Okay, we come here again. Good. Can you see now? So we have this mail. The first mail is our Gmam and the second mail is our Gbobo. So if I click on this our Gbobo now, it will switch to that mail. Are you seeing it now? So let me click on it so you can see. It will switch to that mail. Are you seeing now? So we are switching to the new mail right now. This is very, very awesome. Are you seeing now? So this is my new email that I have just created. All right, so the next thing I'll do is just to go ahead and re-edit the page, re-edit the mail to have a new profile look. All right, so guys, this is how you can create a new Gmail account even if you have an old account. I believe that you got value from this video. If you got value from this video, kindly tap the like button, kindly subscribe to this video, and make sure to turn on your notification bell. All right, before I leave this video right now, if you want to learn more about how to make money online from affiliate marketing business, or you want to learn how to make money online by selling digital product, or you want to be selling your knowledge online, you don't know where to start, then go to the link in the description. I have a program for you. So all you need to do is to check the link in the description, click that link to find out more about how you can access the program. This program is not free, it's a paid program, so make sure that you are ready before you click the link. Check the link in the description, click on the link, and I'm going to see you inside. Enjoy.